So, already you know what is LCM and what is HCF, right? Okay, good. So now what we have to do is, we have to do some more problems on LCM and HCF divisibility rules, okay? As you have already seen that in the last session we discussed divisibility and LCM, HCF, one of three. Means altogether we have 3 papers and one is completed, right? Now we have 2 more papers, okay? These 2 papers are dependent on LCM, HCF basically. And of course, divisibility might also be there, but the basic concept is on LCM and HCF. Okay, observe a small point. Suppose the narration I am giving in the question is, suppose, find the least number, which when increased by 2, exactly divisible by, suppose 3, 5, 6 and 8. Suppose this is what we give. Okay, find the least number which when increased by 2 exactly divisible by these numbers. Okay, then what I can say is, suppose let my least number be n. He said that it is increased by 2. Increased by 2 means now it will become n plus 2. Okay, that number, that is n plus 2, is exactly divisible by 3, 5, 6 and 8. So n plus 2 is divisible by 3 means, can I say that n plus 2 is a multiple of 3? N plus 2 is a multiple of 5, 6, 8. Okay, can I say n plus 2 is nothing but common multiple of all 3, 5, 6 and 8, right? And what he is asking, find the least value of n. Is it correct? Means I want among the common multiples, I want the greatest one or least one? Least one. So the answer will be n plus 2 is LCM of 3, 5, 6, 8. Is it clear? This is the way that we have to solve it. Okay, so as per the narration we have to do. Suppose the same question he can say that, find the least number which when reduced by 2 exactly divisible by these numbers. Can he ask a question like that? Then now tell me, you will write n plus 2 or n minus 2? Is LCM of so and so. Is it right? Okay, good. So suppose in the same question, find the second least number, not the least number, find the second least number which when reduced by 2 exactly divisible by these numbers called 3, 5, 6, 8 suppose. Is asked about the least one or second least one? Okay, good. That means that anyhow I have to take either common multiple or least common multiple, right? Okay, good. So if you want the least number, it will be LCM. If you want the second least number, it is not LCM, it is just a common multiple, right? Okay, the rule is that all common multiples are multiples of LCM. All common multiples are multiples of LCM. Okay, now what we can say, suppose if he is asked about the second least such number, then we can say that n minus 2 is nothing but 2 into LCM of the given numbers. Am I clear? Suppose if he is asked about the fifth least number, he will write 5 into LCM of those numbers. Is it clear? This is one concept that you have to learn it, because sometimes he will ask that instead of asking that find the least number, find the second least number, etc., etc., etc. Okay, he will say that okay, find the 4-digit least such number. He will ask. What he will ask? 4-digit least number. Okay, or 4-digit greatest number. Then what you have to think is, okay, that will be a common multiple to LCM. LCM's multiple you have to think. Am I clear? Right, this is what you have to understand. Okay, next point, before going to the next part, okay, I'll give you 2 hints, always remember. Suppose I am doing one small division. I am dividing 27 with 5. Okay, right, 5 5s are how much? 25. What's the remainder? 2 is the remainder. What's the remainder? 2 is the remainder. That means that, so from the 27, if I subtract the 2, you will get 25, which is a multiple of the given divisor. It's a multiple of the given divisor. Okay, means 25 is one multiple. The given number is 27. This gap is 2, right? That gap I have to reduce. That gap I have to reduce. Is it right or wrong? Okay, good. So, or else the other point I can say is, sir, actually 25 is a 5 multiple. The next 5 multiple is 30. Yes or no? The next 5 multiple is 30. Okay, 25 to 30 means the gap is 5. That is but the divisor. Nothing but the divisor. Okay, this gap is 5. This gap is 2. Can I say this gap is 3? This gap is 3. Okay. From this you should learn one concept that, okay, suppose the number I have given is 27. I am dividing with 5. What's the remainder you got? 2. What's the remainder you got? 2. Okay, 2 points I can make. Number 1, if you subtract 2 from the number, then that is divisible by 5. means that is divisible by the divisor. The other point is what you did, 5 and 2 difference you have taken. How much it is? 3. That you added, right? Okay, means 5 and 2 the difference is 3, right? That 3 you have to add. So 27 plus 3 means how much? 30. It's again a multiple of the divisor. It's again a multiple of the divisor. Is it clear? So moral of the story is simply, I'm summarizing it. Okay, any division I'm making, n, I'm dividing with x. The remainder I got is r. Immediately I can say 2 points to you. N minus r is divisible by x. Divisible by x. Or else, what is the difference between x and r? X minus r. Is it right or wrong? If you add this number to the n, that means n plus x minus r is also divisible by x. Is also divisible by x. Okay, these 2 points are helpful for you in LCM and HCF. Okay, right, good. So now the question, I will change the framing. Now I will change the framing. Okay, he said that find the least value of n. Find the least value of n such that on n on division with 3, something 5, something 6, something 8 leaves a remainder of 2 in each case. What is the remainder in each case? 2 in each case. Okay, what you can say? So when you divide n with 3, the remainder is 2. Means can I say that, okay, from the number, you have to subtract the remainder so that that is divisible by 3. Means, can I say that number is a multiple of 3? Okay, n minus 2 is a multiple of 3. Okay, n, when you divide with 5, the remainder is 2, right? Can I say that n minus 2 is a multiple of 5 also? N minus 2 is a multiple of 6, n minus 2 is a multiple of 8. That means n minus 2 is a common multiple for all these numbers. And that too, he is asked about the least value. Answer is happily n minus 2 is nothing but LCM of 3, 5, 6, 8. Right? Observe the previous question once. Okay, the question framing is, find the least number which when reduced by 2, exactly divisible by 3, 5, 6, 8. This one and that one. Same or different questions? Same only. 2 different narrations for the same solution. Okay, right. Suppose the other question that he is asking is, find the least value of n when you divide with 3, 5, 6 and 8 leaves respective reminders of 1, 3, 4 and 6. That is what he is asking. Earlier he said that every time you are getting the same reminder. Is it right or wrong? This time every time you are got the same reminder or different reminder? Different reminder. Then I am unable to say that, okay, n minus, so here the reminder is 1 now. N minus 1 is a multiple of 3. N minus 3 is a multiple of 5. Right or wrong? If I do like that, nothing is common. Nothing is common. But what you can observe is, what's the difference between these two? Right or wrong? That's the beauty that you have to notice. Okay, the divisor and the remainder, the difference is how much? 2. What's the difference here? 2. Since the difference is 2, we can say that that number, okay, divisor and remainder difference you are doing means that should be added, right? Okay, I can say that n plus 2 is divisible by 3, divisible by 5, 6 and 8 means a common multiple of 3, 5, 6 and 8, and that too he is asking about the least one. So I can say that n plus 2 is nothing but LCM of 3, 5, 6 and 8. Do you understand that? Okay, already I have given one such question. Observe. Find the least number n which when increased by 2 exactly divisible by 3, 5, 6, 8. This one and that one. You got the same answers or different answers? But both look like it's completely different. Am I right or wrong? Okay, these are the 2 models. With submodels it is 4. It is 4. Okay. The other model that we have to discuss in LCM and HCF. Yes. N plus 2 only. I clearly said that n plus 2 is LCM. So n is nothing but LCM minus 2. Okay. Good. Right. Observe that. Yeah. Suppose I am giving some numbers. Okay. 20, 30. Suppose I am giving 50. 3 numbers. Find the greatest number. Find the greatest number, okay, x, such that when you divide 20, 30 and 50 with x, the remainder is same in every case. The remainder is same in every case. Do you understand the question? Okay. So, I am giving you one example. Suppose, sir, I am taking a number called 5. Means I am assuming x value is how much? 5. Okay, because I am explaining the concept, not the answer. Okay, good. So then, if you divide 20 with 5, the remainder is how much? 0. When you divide 30 with 5, the remainder is how much? 0. 50 by 5, the remainder is 0. Okay, good. So same remainder or different remainder? Same remainder. Happy. Okay. Sir, why should I take 5? I will imagine it is 10. The value of x I am assuming to be 10. Okay, 20 by 10 means remainder is 0, 0, 0. Okay, sir, I am getting a doubt that why don't I take 15? Or why don't I take 12? Any one number I will take. Okay, tell me one number. Which one? 12. Okay, I am going with 12. I am dividing. 12 ones are 12 means remainder is how much? 8. 30 means 12 twos are 24, remainder is how much? 6. 12 fours are 48, remainder is how much? 2. You are getting same remainder or different remainder? Means this should be the answer, should not be the answer. Okay, among all, this is large. Okay, so far what you have seen. So far that is the answer. Suppose change the numbers. The numbers I am giving is 71, 81 and the 111. Suppose these are the 4 numbers and 3 numbers he gave. No need of 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers also not a problem. Okay, good. Suppose observe, I am dividing with 5 only. Suppose 5 14s are 70. What's the remainder? 1. 5 16s are 80. 1. 5 how much? 22s are 110. Okay, remainder is 1. Yes, you got the same remainder. Happy. Okay, so I said that you should get the same remainder. I am not specifying that the remainder should be 0. Or I am not specifying that the remainder should be 1. I said simply the remainder should be same. Remainder should be the same. Suppose if I take some other number. Okay, tell me one number. 8. Okay, 18. 10. Oh, already it is there. Okay, good. 10 I am taking. 10 sevens are 70 means remainder is 1. 10 8s are 80, remainder 1. Okay, 10 11s are 110, remainder is 1. Happy. That can also be a possibility. Give me some other number. Say loudly. 21. So I am trying with 21. Okay, 21 and 71. 21 3s are 63. The remainder is 8. 21 4s are 84. That much is not there now. Okay, 21 3s again 63. Means remainder is 18. 21 5s are 105. Okay, remainder is 6. You got the same remainders or different? That cannot be. Okay, hope you understand. If he said that greatest value of x such that leaving same remainder in each case. Same remainder in each case. He is not specifying what should be the remainder. Then what you have to do is, okay, what I have shown you is the concept I have shown you. Okay, now how do we solve this? What's the difference between these two? 10. What's the difference between these two? What's the difference between these two? 30. Okay, for these 3 numbers, 10, 20 and 30, take the HCF. All are divisible by 10, right? That is the answer. That's why you got the answer as 10. That's why you got the answer as 10. Is it clear? Okay, here also the same. So what's the difference? 10. What's the difference? 30. What's the difference? 40. Okay, 10, 40, 30. What is the HCF? 10. So answer is 10 only. Is it clear? This is one case. Okay, what he is asking? Find the greatest value of x such that when, okay, so and so, x, y, z on division with that number gives the same remainder in each case. This is the same remainder in each case. I am not specifying that the remainder should be that much. I am not specifying that the remainder should be that much. Suppose if we specify the remainder is that much. Already we have seen a question. Observe that. In each case, you will get a remainder of 2. Yes or no? Okay, now small change I am giving. Observe. Right, find the greatest value of x. Find the greatest value of x such that on division with okay, such that okay, when 38, 74 and 218 on division with x leaves a remainder of 2 in each case. In each case, suppose. Earlier he said that same remainder. This time that remainder also he is specifying, right or wrong? Yes or no? Okay, what's the meaning of the statement here? 38, you are dividing with x, the remainder is how much? 2. Yes or no? What's the next one? 74 on division with x, the remainder is how much? 2. Okay, 218 on division with x, the remainder is how much? 2. Right? That's what the statement he made. Okay, now tell me here, remainder is 2, same now. Okay, 38 minus 2 is divisible by x. Means for 36, x is a factor. Yes or no? Okay, now 74 minus 2. For 72 also x is a factor. Okay, next one. Okay, 218 minus 2 means for 216 also, okay, x is a factor. Means x is a common factor for all the 3. X is a common factor for all the 3. Means he is asking about the greatest value. Means among the common factors, he is asking about the greatest one. Can I say the answer is HCF? Okay, simply the answer is HCF of what we can say 216, 72 and 36. Am I clear? Like this he can ask. Okay, good. So if you observe the questions, am I going with every time this you do blindly? Am I going like that, or I am trying to visualize each and every question? Trying to visualize each and every question. Okay, so you also try the same. If you do the same, automatically, okay, you will get the answers like this. Okay, I am not saying that, okay, it will be this one. Okay, different questions can be given. Okay, how do we solve? I have given to you. How we have to think, I have given to you. Okay, good. All of you stop it. I hope everybody did 6 out of 6. Can I expect all 6 out of 6? No. Only 5? Okay, no problem. We will discuss now. Okay. Yeah, did you feel any difficulty in this one? Any difficulty or no difficulty? Good. So now we are going with the divisibility and LCM-HCM of part 2 of 3 by myself, Amarnath Dhimani. Okay. Right. Let us see the questions one by one. Right. What's the first one? He said, what is the least 4-digit number when divided by 3, 4, 5 and 6 leaves a remainder of 2 in each case? Okay. Suppose forget about least 4-digit number. Okay. Okay. Normally, then what should I do? I have to get a remainder of 2 in each case. Means suppose that my number is n. Remainder is 2 means 2 I have to subtract. Yes or no? Okay. N minus 2 is a multiple to 3, is a multiple to 4, is a multiple to 5, is a multiple to 6 means n minus 2 is a common multiple for all. Yes or no? Right? Okay. Normally I will go with LCM, right? Okay. So now I am going with LCM. LCM of 3, 4, 5, 6 means 3, 4, 12, 60, right? LCM is how much? 60. Okay. Normally my answer will be n minus 2 is equal to 60 and n is equal to 62. This is my answer. This is my answer. But he used the word least 4-digit number. What he asked? Least 4-digit number. Okay, now the question we can move in a different ways. Number 1, what is the first multiple of 60 I will go? 4-digit first multiple of 60 I will go. Okay, because I have to go for how many digits? 4-digit number, right? Okay, first multiple of what do we say? 4-digit I will calculate. Tell me here, 60 into 15 means how much it is? 900, close to 1000. 1000 is the first 4-digit number, right or wrong? Right? If I add 60 more, okay, it will be 960. Okay, is it a 4-digit number? No. Add one more 60, how much it is? 1020. Yes, it is a 4-digit number. Okay. I want the least 4-digit number, right? Then I can say that, okay, n minus 2 is, actually the answer is not LCM, common multiple only, right or wrong? Okay, so this is also a common multiple, right? Because all common multiples are multiples of LCM. This is a multiple of LCM means I can take this. Okay, then what happens here? N will be how much? 1022. So what is the option? B is the answer. Do you understand this procedure? Here, wait. So we should always think of 2 points, always remember that. Okay, when I am pursuing my 6th standard in Telugu, okay, my Telugu sir has told me a lesson, a story of 3 fishes. 3 fish. First one is having long vision. Second one is no long vision. At least existence for the present situation. Number 3 is even failed in that third one. They will die. Yes or no? Okay, the first one has long vision. If it has long vision, automatically it will be 2 beautiful life. Yes or no? Second one has at least a survival fact in the present circumstances, right or wrong? At least in the circumstances it can run. This is the show. Okay, to live in the circumstances. Okay, third one is not having that capacity also. Those who has not answered, they are in that phase. Okay, shall we go for the long vision question? Okay, so suppose if he is asking that, what is the greatest 6-digit number? Are you able to check like this? Is it a simple one or a complex one? A bit complex one, right? That is the reason. The actual procedure is, okay, he's asking about the least 4-digit number. Okay, what is the least 4-digit number? Now I'm going in the actual procedure, 1000. What is the LCM? 60. Go with the division. 60 ones are 60. Okay, 40 and having 0. Okay, 66s are 360. What's the remainder? 60. I want less than 4-digit or 4-digit? Two rules. 1000 minus 60 is definitely 60 multiple. Yes or no? But it will be 3-digit number or 4-digit number? So I don't want it. Okay, then what I will do? Difference between these two. Okay, this is how much? 40, huh? Okay, 40. Okay, 60 and 40, difference is how much? 20. That should be added, right? Okay, so 1020. This is the right way to get the value of n minus 2 is equal to 1020. Do you understand? What is the right way? Okay, n is equal to how much? 1022. So answer is B. Am I clear? Both the procedures are clear for you? Good. In the examination, if you feel the pressure, if you get this idea, superb. Else at least you should live in the examination hall, right? That is the reason I have given that one also for you. Can I go to the next question? Right. What is the smallest number greater than 1000? Smallest number greater than 1000 means again smallest 4-digit number. Okay. That when divided by any one of the numbers, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 leaves a remainder of 3. Same question, numbers were changed. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, as usual I have to go with LCM. What is the LCM of 6, 9 means 18, 18 and 12 means 36, 36 and 15 means 90, 90 and 18 means 90. Okay, the LCM I got is 90. Now tell me here the answer will be, what is the remainder we got? 3. Okay, now tell me here n plus 3 or minus 3? Minus 3. Okay, n minus 3 is equals to, I should say LCM or common multiple of these all numbers? Common multiple of these all numbers, that is 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. Right? Okay, good. Now, again he is asking about the smallest number greater than 1000. 1000 is a 4-digit number. In the 4-digit he is asking about the smallest number. Okay, what should we do? Two ways. Sir, already 90, sir. 900 close to 1000. Increase 90, 990. Okay, still it is not 1000. More than 1000 we want. Add one more 90, it will be 1080. Okay, take it n minus 3 is equals to, it is a more than 1000, right? So n is equal to how much? 1083. Or else division. 1000 divided by 90. 90 ones are 90 and having 10 and 0. 90 ones are 90 and having 10 as a reminder. Okay, now I want to increase more than 1000, right? Okay, the difference I have to add. 80 if I add, how much it will become? 1080. Okay, n minus 3 is equals to 1080. Okay, n is equals to 1083. So answer which option? C is the answer. Am I clear? Both the questions are same. If you can get one answer, the other is bonus for you. At the same time, if you are unable to get one answer, the other is also bonus for you. Okay, it is 1 plus 1 offer in gaining or losing also. Can I go to the next question? Right. There are 5 hobby clubs in a college. Okay, photography, hatching, chess, electronics and gardening. Okay, 5 hobbies. Don't ask me what is meant by hatching, I don't know. Okay, it's a habit, that's it. Okay, the gardening group meets every second day. Okay, every second day, that is the important point. Every second day, that means that today is first day, tomorrow is second day. Okay, next meeting means third day is first day, fourth day is second day, right? Means they will meet second day, 4th day, 6th day, and so on. That means they will meet for every multiple of 2. Multiple of 2. Okay. Next one. So the electronic groups meet every 3rd day. This is 3rd day. Electronics is 3rd day. Superb. Chess team meets every 4th day. Hatching team meets every 5th day. And photography, okay, group meets every 6th day. Okay. How many times do all the 5 groups meet on the same day within 180 days? Within 180 days. Do you understand the question? Okay, first of all has to meet. Okay, all has to meet means, okay, the gardening people are meeting means definitely time should be a multiple of 2. Okay, the electronics are meeting means time should be a multiple of 3. Both are meeting means time should be a common multiple for both 2 and 3. Now tell me the answer should be first meeting I am writing. First meeting. Okay. So, common multiple for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And among all, first one means LCM. Yes or no? Right. What is the LCM for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? 2, 3 means 6, 6, 4 means 12, 12, 5 means 60. 60 is the LCM. Okay. What we can say is they will meet for every 60 days. They will meet for every 60 days. Okay. What's the next point? He said that how many times they will meet in 180 days. Okay. 180 days, how many times they will meet means 180 by 60. How much is the answer? 3 times. But always remember, the answer will be 4. If it is not there, it is 3. Okay, why? Because all are meeting means on the first day all are meeting. Okay, today we decided that, okay, you belong to photography, you belong to gardening, you belong to hatching and so on, right or wrong? At the time of dividing, you all met once. After that, 3 times. Total how many times you will meet? 4 times. Okay, the answer will be 3 times or 4 times? 4 times. Okay, but the funny thing in 2016 is, he has not given 4 options. That means that the first time when they met, he has not considered. He has not considered. Yes or no? Okay, actually he has to consider it or not? Yes, he has to consider. Then it will be 3 times or 4 times? 4 times. Since 4 is not there, that means that he has not considered the first meeting. Then we have to go for the remaining. How many times? 3 times. So which option is the answer? D is the answer. Am I clear? Yeah, this question is a very complex question, a very simple one. No need of paper and pen also, right? Happily take the LCM and simplify. Can I go to the next question? Okay. Right. 5 persons fire bullets at a target at an interval of 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 seconds respectively. The number of times they would fire bullets at the target in an hour is. Here what I am thinking is, the first person is gardening. Every 6th day he will meet. The second person is hatching. Every 7th day he will meet. Can I link the previous question and this one like this? Yes or no? Okay. As usual, what I have to do now? LCM. Okay. LCM. Okay. 6 and 7 means 42. 42 and 8 means 168. 168 into 3. 168 into 3 is how much? 504, right? 504. 504 is the LCM. Okay, all are in seconds means LCM is 504 seconds. Okay, how many times they will meet in an hour? In an hour means total how many seconds? 3600 seconds by 504. Okay, can I say 7 times? Yes or no? Okay, answer will be 7 or 8. Why? A person fires bullets at target at an interval of 6 seconds. Means right now I have shot it. After 6 seconds I will shoot again. Right or wrong? Okay. So my neighbor, suppose, okay, she is a neighbor. 7 seconds she will fire. Means initially both fired. After that 6 seconds, 7 seconds, next one 8 seconds, 9 seconds. Right or wrong? Means the shorting should also be counted. Okay. So answer will be 7 plus 1 is equal to how many times? 8 times. Okay. It is equal to how much? 8 times. Am I clear? So if you observe 2 questions you are finding. Okay, 2 questions you are finding means those models are very important for you, right? Yeah. So all are 1 plus 1 offer for us. But 4th one on 180 first day, sir. Who is that? Manikanta. Yeah, Manikanta Sharma, the point you have to notice is, yeah, for the previous question your friend is asking a small doubt. Is it clear? Can I go to the previous one? Yeah. So total 180 days. On 0th day they will met. Right? Okay, next one. So after 60 days they met. After 120 days they met. 180 days they met. Okay, total how many meetings we can think? Okay, so 4 times. I'm not asking to you, to online student. Manikanta, hope it is clear for you. Yeah, Realme 5S, is it clear for you? Yeah, my dear online students, better write your names. Okay, if I call Realme 5S, how it is here? It's not looking good. Right, good. Shall we go for the next one? Fourth question answer. Yeah, tell me. You are getting a doubt again, 7 or 8. Okay, observe that. So suppose initially I am the first person A, for every 6 seconds I will fire. Your second person B, you will fire for every 7 seconds. Let's think of only these two persons. Right now I fired for the first time. Okay, means when will I fire? At 0 seconds. No, why? Every 6 seconds means, okay, here I am not firing. How can you count these 6 seconds? Every 6 seconds means, here if I fire, after 6 seconds again I fire. If you can't say that, suppose, okay, how can you say that from this point onwards, these people started firing? Okay, she consider at 12 o'clock onwards, for every 6 seconds she will fire. She will consider 12:30. Every 7 seconds she will fire. All should have equality, right? Means all should start at 12 o'clock, right? That means that all should start at? Anyhow, what I can say is, if he won't do that one, actually, then what happens is, it is not possible to do at that time. Okay, means in the question he has not mentioned that at 12 o'clock onwards, you fire after 6 seconds regularly, you fire after 7 seconds regularly, that like that he has not specified. Okay, so every 6 seconds they will fire means right now if I fire, after 6 seconds I will fire, yes or no? That's the meaning of generally every 6 seconds, right? Am I right or wrong here? Okay, hope you understand. Try to understand. That's it. Okay, we should always take that they started initially. Okay, right, good. Right, let's go for the next beautiful one. That too, if you want to go further, bullets together at the target. Okay, so they will fire it, means I am continuously firing. Suppose the camera is my target. Fire, 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 fire. Every second I will fire. But every 6 seconds it will hit the target. Right or wrong? So what we can observe? I am firing 0. If it hit, next hit will be after 6 seconds. The target. Meanwhile, misfire, that person, second person, and so on. Again 6 seconds it will be 5. Hope you understand? Good. Right, a bell rings every 18 minutes, a second bell every 24, third bell every 32. If all the 3 bells ring at the same time at 8 o'clock, you are saying that this was not mentioned. But they should. Okay, good. In the morning, at what time, what other time will they all ring together? Yeah, instead of firing, simply he said that ring a bell. If I fire, the bell will be rang. Can I think like that? As usual, can I say LCM? LCM of 18, 24, 32. 18 and 24 means 72. 72 means 8 is there, 8, 4, 72 into 4. Okay, 288 seconds they will fire, they will ring together. Okay, that means I am doing the LCM in my faster way. Okay, you try in your own way, that is 18, 24, 32, all are divisible by 2. 9, 12, and 16, 3, 3, 4, and 16. Okay, 4, 3 asterisk, 1 and 4. Now multiply all. Okay, you will get this number. Directly I can do it. So I am giving the answer directly. 288 seconds. 288 seconds means we have to convert it into minutes. Okay. Sorry, those are already in terms of minutes, not seconds. Minutes. Now we have to convert it into hours. 60 minutes means 1 hour. 64 is at 240, right? 240 means 4 hours is completed. Okay, 4 hours plus 240 completed means 48 minutes. So 4 hours 48 minutes means after 8 o'clock 4 hours. 9, 10, 11, 12. Now it will be 12 AM or PM? PM. Okay, 12:48 hours. That is B. Luckily, he has not specified AM or PM. Okay, that's it. That is the answer. But can I go to the next question? I think last question, right? Sita and Geeta go for a swim after a gap of every 2 days and every 3 days respectively. If on 1st January both of them went for a swim together, when will they go together for the next time? She said 2019. Instead of ringing the bell, they are going for swimming. Again, same or different? Same. Happily go with the LCM. LCM of 2 and 3. Okay, it is 6, right? After 6 days, they will go. After 6 days, they will go. After 6 days, they will go means what I can say? January 1st, they went. After 6 days means January 7th. Okay. So, yeah. Actually, if you give January 6th, some students will go for January 6th. Okay. Unfortunately, has not given. This is a question CSAT 2019. Am I clear? Okay. Yeah, with this paper is successfully completed. And are you ready for the next paper? Yet. Let's go for the next paper. Completed? No. Oh my God. I thought everybody will complete. Okay, let's go. Not a problem. So listen carefully. Okay, first one what he said. Divisibility and LCM-HCM part 3 out of 3 by myself, Aparna Devani. Right. How many integers are there between 1 to 100 which have 4 as a digit but are not divisible by 4? Okay, already this appeared in the previous papers, right? Okay, I have already explained, now. How many? 12. I think in the last session only I explained to you, right? Oh, good. So that's already completed. So it's a bonus question for you. The time I have given 2 minutes extra for you. Then. Right. Let x, y, z be a 3-digit number where x plus y plus z is not a multiple of 3. X plus y plus z is not a multiple of 3. Then xyz plus yzx plus zxy is not divisible by. Do you understand the question? Yes or no? Okay. So x plus y plus z is not a multiple of 3, he said. Okay. Not a multiple of 3 means, yeah, I am going in a simpler way. I am taking other than a 3 multiple 4. Any objection for you? Sir, why should I go for that much number, sir? I will go with 1, sir. It's not a multiple of 3, right? Happy? Okay. So, to get x plus, go with 4. Go with 4. To get it, you can take different values, right? Okay. He has not specified that x, y, z are same digits or different digits, right? I can say both, all might be same, right? Okay, I am taking this is 2, this is 1, this is 1. I got x, y, z values. Okay, what he is asking? X, y, z means 2, 11. Y, z, x means 1, 1, 2. Z, y, x means 1, 2, 1. He is saying add all the numbers. How much will you get here? 4, 4, 4. 444. Okay, is it divisible by 3 or not? Yes, he is asked that divisible or not divisible? Means 3 will be the answer, will not be the answer? Will not be. Okay, is it divisible by 9 or not? Sum of digits is divisible by 9 or not? Sum of digits. 444 is 12, sum. Is divisible by 9? No. So it is not divisible by 9. It can be the answer. Okay, go with the next one. So, I can say one rule for you. Every triplet is divisible by 37. Because 37 3s are 111. Okay. So, if you want 222, I can fill it as 2 into 111, right? Means 2 into 3 into 37, right or wrong? All triplets are divisible by 37. Is it a triplet or not? Triplet. Since it is a triplet, I can say that it is divisible by 37 also. But we need not divisible, so that is not. Go to the last one, x plus y plus z. What is the value of x plus y plus z? Is it divisible by 4 or not? Yes, it is. So this will be the answer, will not be the answer. So what is the answer? That is the answer. Okay, now tell me, this is the perfect procedure or managerial procedure at the examination level? Managerial procedure at the examination level. Okay, good. So only keep this point in your brain here. Now I am going with the conventional one. Okay. So x, y, z. Sum I am taking x, y, z. Okay. Followed by y, z, x. Followed by z, x, y. Okay. He is asking sum. Sum means x plus y plus z. Right? Again, sum means x plus y plus z. Tens digit sum. Hundreds digit sum is x plus y plus z. Okay, good. Now what I can say, is it divisible by 3 or not? I have to verify, right? Is it divisible by 3 or not means I have to go with sum of digits. Right? This is the first digit, second digit, third digit. Okay, sum of digits means. Okay, and one more point. Sir, if x plus y plus z is a, it looks like a, means a triplet. I said that every triplet is divisible by 37 and 3. 37 3s are triplet, right or wrong? Right? So, definitely it is divisible by 3 and 37. My intention is calculating with divisible or not divisible? Not divisible. So, these two will be the answers or will not be the answers? Will not be. Suppose the other number is x plus y plus z. Okay. Now tell me here, this is divisible by one time. Divisible or not divisible? Divisible means this will be the answer or will not be the answer? Which has the possibility to become the answer? 9, that's it. Is it clear question? So it's a question in CSAT 2020. Okay, good. Shall we go for the next beautiful one? Are you understanding points, my dear boys and girls? For any choices of value x, y, z and x, y and z, the 6-digit number of the form xyz is divisible by. Okay, already I said that you are getting xyz. That means that it is nothing but xyz into 1001. Yes or no? Already I have explained. Yes or no? Okay. Means this number is divisible by 1001. But because these values I don't know. But it is divisible by 1001. It is divisible by 1001 means definitely it is divisible by the factors of 1001. The factors of 1001. Go with prime factorization or else go with the options. Whichever you feel comfortable, you can go with it. Okay. What's the first option? 7 and 11. Verify is it divisible by 7 or not? Sir, it is already divisible by 1 plus 0, 0 plus 1. Both are 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Means it is divisible by 11. Okay. So 11 should be the answer. It is there. It is there. It is there. So it will be the answer, will not be the answer. Leave it. Now I am going with 7. Okay. If I try with 7, okay, 7 1s are 7, 30 means 7 4s are 28. Okay, 21 means 7 3s. Yes, it is divisible. Yes or no? Okay, 7 okay, 11 already okay. So if you divide with 7, you got 143, right? Okay, don't say 143, it is 143. Okay, right, 143 is divisible by 11 if you observe. 11 1s are 11, 11 3s. Yes or no? Now tell me, the number is divisible by 7, 11 and 13. All the three it is divisible, right? So now tell me which option is the answer? D is the answer. This is a CSAT 2023 question. This is a CSAT 2023 question. Is it clear? That the idea that you have to get is XYZ means you should get the idea that you will get it only if you multiply XYZ with 1001, which already we have discussed earlier. Okay, if you get this idea, automatically the game is over. Right? Can you go for the next one? Come on. What is the reminder when 85, 87, 89, 91, 95, 96 are multiplied is divided by 100? Already this type of question also I discussed with you earlier. Okay, so two ways you can do. This is CSAT 2023 question. Okay, in CSAT 2023 there are some easy questions. This is one among them. Okay. Yeah, suppose if I go in a conventional manner, 85 into 87 into 89 into 91 into 95 into 96. See, I am not at all going with any logical answers. Blindly I am going with the reminders concept. Okay, I am dividing this one with 100. The remainder is minus 15. This one with 100. The remainder is minus 13. Right or wrong? Okay, divide with this one. Minus 11. Minus 9. Minus 5. Minus 4. Say yes or no? Okay, minus. These all multiplied, right? How many negative numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times you take minus. Means it will be minus or plus only? Plus. Okay. This time I am unable to simplify, sir, because this value will be more than 100. But Individually, I am unable to go. Then go with the two numbers multiplication. These are not complex numbers, right? 15 into 13, I will go. Can I go? 14 plus 1 into 14 minus 1, right? Yes or no? 14 square minus 1 square. 14 square is 196 minus 1 is 195. Okay, 10 plus 1, 10 minus 1. 10 square minus 1, 99. Okay, 5 fours are 20, you can do directly. Okay. Now go with again individual divisions. Okay. So here you will get minus 5, right? Here you will get minus 1, right? And this I can continue as this. Minus into minus is plus again. So how much you got? 100. Again by 100. What is the remainder you got? Means I am not at all going with any logical concept, but the answer is 0. The other point I can do is, so observe that 85 into 87 into 89 into 91 into 95 into 96 by 100 he is asking. Beautiful. Sir, 85 means 5 into 17, 95 means 5 into 19, 96 means 4 into 24, right or wrong? Right or wrong? 5 5s are 25, 25 4s are 100. 100 is divisible. 100 is divisible. If 100 is divisible, I can say that the remainder is 0. Okay. So this is the what do we say, logical. That is the conventional at least. Okay. As I said, long vision and existence vision. Okay. We have in Telugu Dirgha Darsi, Prapta Kalagyidu, Dirgha Sutrudu. 3 fish. Okay. So that concept I can apply to any question. Anyhow, is it clear for you? Okay. Can I go to the next question? Right. A 2-digit number is reversed. Okay, 2-digit number is reversed means if your 2-digit number is AB, reversed means it will be BA. The larger of the 2 digits is divided by the smaller one. Oh, means in these two numbers, the larger number is divided by the smaller number. Okay. What is the largest possible remainder he is asking? What is the largest possible remainder he is asking? Do you understand the question? Yes or no? Okay, good. So, shall we take AB is the larger one? Between AB and BA, definitely one is larger, right or wrong? Okay, if I take AB is a larger, I am dividing with BA. I am dividing with B. Actually, this 9 is extra. Do you got that 9? You can easily find it, strike it out because, okay, 2-digit number means maximum of 99. If you divide the remainder, will be maximum of 98. 459 is not possible. Okay, good. Anyhow, right? BA and AB, right? You are going with the division. He is asking about the maximum. Okay, largest possible remainder. Okay, so the larger of the two numbers is divided by the smaller one. What is the largest possible? This remainder need to be greatest one. This remainder need to be greatest one. Yes or no? Do you understand the question now? Okay. So shall we take the quotient as Q? Shall we take the quotient as Q? Okay, observe a small point here. As the quotient increases, the remainder decreases. Yes or no? Because the fundamental rule says that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Yes or no? If you want to have larger remainder, that means that this should be the larger one. Yes or no? Because if you divide a number with 20, the remainders that you will get are from 0 to 90. With which you divide, minus 1 will be the maximum remainder. Yes or no? To get maximum remainder, the maximum remainder is nothing but BA minus 1. That can be the maximum one. Yes or no? Okay, good. So to get maximum remainder, this should be greatest one. This should be greatest one. Okay. Now, AB is equals to, fundamental rule, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. AB is equals to BA into quotient, that is Q, plus remainder R. As I said earlier, the quotient should be greatest one or least one? Say loudly. Least one. The remainder should be least one. Okay. What I can think is, sir, suppose I am taking larger numbers. Okay. 98, one number I have taken. 89, another number I have taken. Okay. So, 89 means 89 ones are 89. The remainder is how much? 9. The remainder is how much? 9. Is it a possibility or not? Yes, it is. So sometimes what happens here? Suppose if I take 92, the reverse is 29. The reverse is 29. Okay, 29 means how many times it is divisible? 3 times. 87. What's the remainder? 5. If you observe, as the quotient is increasing, okay, this will decrease, automatically this will also reduce. So we should have maximum quotient or minimum quotient? Say loudly, minimum quotient. Okay, so the quotients, if you observe, 0 is a possible quotient, 1 is a possible quotient, 2 is a possible, you got 3 also as a possible quotient, right or wrong? Okay, like that you can think. But the point I have to observe is, sir, if you are getting 0 quotient, is it possible or not? You have to think. Is it possible to get 0 quotient or not? Not. Why? Because, okay, larger number you are dividing smaller means at least one time it is divisible, right or wrong? At least one time it is divisible, right or wrong? So 0 is possible or not possible? Not possible. Means minimum quotient means the quotient you have to get is only 1. Only 1. Okay. Now observe. AB is equals to BA into quotient is 1. Required to write or no need to write? Speak out loudly. No need to write. Plus remainder. Now tell me here, what's the remainder I can say? Move this side. AB minus BA. AB minus BA. Sir, AB minus BA means the difference between a 2-digit number and its reverse. The difference between a 2-digit number and its reverse. Okay. What's the 2-digit number and reverse means? 9 times of A minus B. Yes or no? 9 times of A minus B. Okay, observe. Sir, this is a 9 multiple. Because 9 times of A minus B means answer should be a 9 multiple, right? Okay. Unfortunately, this is a 9 multiple, 9 multiple, 9 multiple, 9 multiple. By using that, I am unable to take anything. By using that, I can take anything or unable to take anything. Unable to take anything. Okay. Now, I am trying with A minus B difference. A minus B difference. Okay. To get maximum remainder, A minus should be also minimum or maximum 1? Say it loudly. Maximum 1. Are you able to follow me? Able to follow me? Okay, good. So, A minus B maximum value I have to take. Okay. A minus B maximum value means, sir, if I take 9 and 0, maximum is 9. Yes or no? Maximum is 9, yes or no? But I am unable to take it, sir. Because if I take one number as 90, the other number will be 09. It will be 10 times, yes or no? The quotient should be 10 times or only one time we have to get? The quotient should be only one time. Now tell me, am I able to take 9 and 0 or unable to take? Unable to take. Means the difference 9 is a possibility or not a possibility? Not a possibility. Okay, right, good. Now what I can think is, okay, so the next difference is 8. Actually, I am going in the conventional manner. Actually, from the question, I can decide that 9 ones, 9 threes, 9 fours, 9 fives. These only I have to verify, yes or no? But I am verifying all. I am verifying all. Okay. So, if I take difference as 8. Okay, difference as 8 means 9 1 and 1 9. Yes or no? Difference 8. But this is also one time or multiple times? Quotient should be 1 only, right? It is 1 only or other than 1? So this can be the answer or cannot be? Cannot be. Okay. So if it is not possible, the next difference I can take is 7. Difference 7 means the numbers might be 9 to 2 9 one possibility, 8 1 and 1 8 another possibility, 7 0 and 0 7 is another possibility. Yes or no? So my intention is getting a quotient of only 1, right? Okay. Quotient 1 or not? Quotient 1 or not? Quotient 1 or not? Means these 3 are possible or not possible? Not possible. Leave it. Okay. So next, 8 completed, right? Or 7 completed? 7. So go with the 6. Okay. 6 means what I can say? Okay. 9 3 3 9. Okay. 8 2 2 8. Next one 7 1 1 7. 6 0 and 0 6. Now try all. Quotient one time or not? Not. Quotient one time or not? One time or not? One time or not? Anything is one time? No. Leave it. So quotient 6, difference 6 is also not a possibility. Go with 5 times. 5 means 9 4 4 9. 9 4 4 9. One time only, right? One time only means 5 times is possible, right? Okay. So now I got the possibility that A minus B is how much? 5. 9 5s are how much? 45. So what is the greatest possible remainder? 45. D is the answer. Do you understand the concept? Which year it was given? CSAT 2017. Okay. So randomly Thailand errors you should not. Thailand errors you should not, because if you go with Thailand errors, you will fail at some extent. Okay. If you want to go with Thailand error, where you have to go with the Thailand error is to get a maximum remainder, quotient should be 1. Quotient should be 1. If you think like that, then what happens is total 100 numbers, 50 is the benchmark. 50 is the benchmark. Suppose if the numbers are close to 50, one is above 50, one is below 50, then what happens here? The quotient will be 1 time only, right? The quotient will be how many times? 1 time. Okay, you can think like that. You can think like that. You have to get maximum remainder, means the quotient should be, the divisor should be maximum, right? Okay, maximum means 50 less than that, 49 is the maximum. Okay, I can think that the greatest possible divisor is 49. Automatically, its reverse will be the greatest number, right? Here, 94. Okay, 94 and 49, if you take these two, okay, 1 time. My intention is getting 1 time only, right? Okay, if you take 1 time, okay, you're getting the maximum remainder of 45. This is a logical way to thinking it. That is a pure mathematical way. This is logical way. Okay, because to get one is more than, one is less, right or wrong? You should have maximum remainder. That means the gap should be maximum, right or wrong? To get maximum gap, one is above 50, other is below 50. To get maximum remainder, the smaller number is the divisor, right? Divisor should be greatest, right? Greatest means close to 50. Close to 50, greatest number is 49. Automatically, reverse will be 94. You have to check like this. Okay? Whichever you like, you can follow that. Either this one or that one. Can I go to the next one? Fifth question. 2 more. Right? Right. In a parking area, the total number of wheels of all the cars, that is 4-wheelers, and scooters, that is motorbikes, 2-wheelers, is 100 more than twice the number of parked vehicles. The number of cars parked is. It is a CSAT 2015 question. It's a simple question. Suppose I am assuming the cars are A and the bikes are B. And the bikes are B. Each car has how many wheels? He clearly specified how many wheels? 4 wheels. Means the total wheels means 4A. Each bike has 2. So 2B. Can I say this is a total number of wheels? Okay. The total number of wheels in a parking area, the total number of wheels is 100 more than twice the number of parked vehicles. Number of parked vehicles is A plus B, right? Twice means 2 times, right? Okay. Is it equal to that or 100 more than that? Okay. That means this is equal to 100 more. What is asking? The number of cars parked. Okay. Right. Now observe. Okay. If you expand, it will be 2A plus 2B plus 100. Okay. 4A plus 2B is equal to. Can I say 2B cancel? Okay. Move the 2A this side. 2A is equal to 100. What is the value of A? 50. Of course, you can go with the Thailand error option verification answer. Okay. The number of cars are 50. C is the answer. And of course, option verification is not possible because you are unable to find the motorbikes. So you should go like this only, equation. 2015, this is a question. Right. Can I go to the last question? Right, CSAT 2017. There are certain two-digit numbers. There are certain two-digit numbers. The difference between the number and the one obtained on reversing it is always 27. Observe a small point here. Let my number be AB. Difference between the number and its reverse is always equal to 9 times of difference of the digits. Right or wrong? Already I have explained you, right? Okay, now he specified this is equal to how much? 27. 9 ones, 9 twos. Okay, can I say that A minus B is equal to 3? Right? Okay, he is asking how many such maximum two-digit numbers are there. Maximum two-digit numbers are there. Here, observe a small point. He said that the original number is larger or the reverse is larger or not specified anything? Not specified anything. Means the original might be larger, the reverse might be larger. Both I have to consider. Both I have to consider. Yes or no? Okay. To get a difference 3, here I am writing A and B values. Observe that. Okay. If A is 3, B is 0. Is it a possibility? 3, 0. Is it 2-digit number or not? Okay. So, if it is my answer, the difference between the number and the one obtained on reversing. Clearly, he specified that and the one obtained on reversing only. Not specified that the reversing is also a 2-digit number. Yes or no? If you reverse, he has not specified that it should be a 2-digit number. Yes or no? The number should be a 2-digit number, right? Okay, that's why, can I take 30 or not? Yes, it is. Can I take 41? Can I take 41? Okay, can I take 52? Yes or no? Okay, can I take 63, 74, 85, 96? Any other possibility? Yes, we have. The remaining possibilities are A, B. Okay, so far you thought that A is greater. Sir, B can also be greater, right? B can also be greater, right? Then you will get reverse of it, right? So yes or no? Okay. So all I have to consider except its reverse, because its reverse is not the number, because we need 2-digit numbers only, we have to count. Total how many are there counted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 means it is 13. Total how many such numbers are there? 13. So what's the answer? None of this. This is a CSAT 2017 questions. Okay. Yeah, is it clear? How many of you answered all the 7 correctly? 6. 1. Okay. 5. Nice. Nice. Okay, good. Try it. Try it. Okay. Try it. So now let us see the next beautiful one. Okay. Yeah, with this we have completed divisibility and what do we say, LCM and HCF. Any doubts so far? Okay, now we are entering into the next beautiful concept. Now we are entering into the next beautiful concept. Okay, the next beautiful concept is very simple. Observe that. Observe that. Good. Right, observe that. Now we are going with counting techniques. Counting techniques. Yeah. So what we can say about counting techniques means very simple. Suppose I have 1, 2, 3 digits. Okay. Fundamental question what he can ask is, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed? He can ask. How many means count it. Yes or no? Okay. Can I call it as permutation? Can I call it as a permutation? Okay. How many ways you can select 2 digits? Can he ask a question like that? How many means again counting technique, right? Okay. So can I call it as combination? So mostly we will discuss about permutations and combinations. But remember that I am not confining to permutations and combinations. I can touch at different areas also. Because it is counting techniques, not permutations and combinations. Okay. Right. I mean, suppose if I ask 1 to 100, how many digits are there? In printing the numbers from 1 to 100, how many digits are there? There also I find the question, how many? Yes or no? How many means? Count it. Count it means as usual this one only, right? That's why that will also come under this one only. Okay. Right. Basically what I will give the basics of to you is, okay, I'll give you, okay, what is a permutation and what is a combination. Okay. Right, good. So before we start permutations and combination, we have to know 3 things. Number 1, n factorial. Number 2, NPR. Number 3 is NCR. Okay. Right. I hope you know that. But it's my duty to give the basic. I'm giving you. Okay. Right. N factorial means, suppose if you have 5 factorial, you should take 5. Every time you have to reduce 1 until you get 1. Multiply all. What I said? Since he is asking about 5 factorial, you should start at 5. Every time you have to reduce by 1. So 5. Reduce by 1, 4. Reduce by 1, 2. I said up to 1, right? Multiply all the numbers. This is known as 5 factorial. Okay. Now tell me what is 20 factorial? It will be 20 into 19 into 18 into and so on until you get 3 into 2 into 1. Is it clear? Good. So if you are writing n factorial, remember that n should be a whole number. Means 0 and positive numbers only. For negative numbers or decimals, factorial doesn't exist. Okay? Right, good. Next point what we have to observe is, right, good. Suppose if I take 20 factorial and I want to go for 19 factorial. What I want is 19 factorial. Then what should I write about 19 factorial? 19 into 18 into 17 into and so on into 3 into 2 into 1. Yes or no? Suppose if I want 18 factorial, what should I write? 18 into 17 into 16 into and so on up to 3 into 2 into 1, right? Okay, what I want to know is, so 20 factorial means can I write it as 20 into, observe these numbers, 19, 18, 17 and so on 3 to 1. Can I write as 19 factorial? Okay, can I write as 20 into 19 into, observe the remaining numbers, 18, 17, 16 and so on 3 to 1. Means can I write as 18 factorial? Means whatever is the extent you want, you can write up to that. Then simply keep a factorial. Okay. That means that suppose if I have 100 factorial, I can write as 100 into 99 into 98. Sir, now I am feeling unable to write, sir. Then keep a factorial. That's it. Whatever is the extent you want, you can write it. Then keep a factorial. Okay. You should memorize some values mandatorily. Okay. 0 factorial is equal to 1. 1 factorial is equal to 1. 2 factorial is nothing but 2. 3 factorial is nothing but 3 into 2 into 1, right? 6. 4 factorial is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So it is 24. 5 factorial is 120. 6 factorial is 720. At least up to this you should memorize. This is about factorial. This is about factorial. Now can I go for NPR? Right, good. So the next concept we have to learn is NPR. Don't say NTR, okay? NPR. Okay, NPR is equals to, the actual formula is n factorial by, what is the difference? N minus R factorial. N minus R factorial. Okay, suppose if I have an example of 100 P3, suppose. What I have? 100 P3. The formula says that 100 factorial by 100 minus 3, 97 factorial, right or wrong? What I can write is 100 factorial means 100 into 99 into 98 into 97 factorial. Can I write 100 factorial like this? By 97 factorial. Sir, these two gets cancelled, sir. These two get cancelled. Now what I can notice is, if you want 100 P3, I can write it as 100 into 99 into 98 only, right or wrong? Okay, next time onwards, I don't want to cancel all those rubbish. What I can say is, sir, if you want 100 P3, like 100 factorial, start writing. You have to write only for 3 times. How do you write 100 factorial? 100 into 99 into 98 into 97 into 96 into and so on up to 3 into 2 into 1. I said how many times you have to write? Only 3 times. So 100 into 99 into 98. That's it. Okay. Right now, tell me here, what is the value of, how can you calculate 50 P2? Say it loudly. 50 into 49. Okay, how can you write 72 P4? Tell me. 72 into 71 into 70 into 69, because 4 times now completed NPR. Okay. Right. The other point we have to know is, here what is the value of 5P4? Tell me fast. Come on, speak out. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Okay. What's the value of 5P5? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Here, can I write it as 5 factorial? Yes. Okay. Can I write even this one also as 5 factorial? Because whether you multiply with 1 or not, The value is same or different? Same. Okay, more of the story you have to know is, okay, the values that you have to memorize here. Right. So, NP naught is equals to 1, NP1 is equals to N, NPN is equals to, see, 5P5 is 5 factorial. Right or wrong? 5P5 only or 5P4 also? Differ by 1, right or wrong? Okay. So, I can write as NPN or NP differ by 1 means N minus 1 is equals to N factorial. Is equals to N factorial. Right. Anywhere, if you are writing NPR, the common condition is that N should be either greater than or equal to R. NPR, this is either greater or equal to R. It should never be smaller. It should never be smaller. Okay, next point. Both N and R belongs to whole numbers. Both should be whole numbers. No decimal, no negative numbers. These are the conditions of NPR. These are the conditions of NPR. Am I clear? Can I go to the next one? Right there. So the next one we have to know is NCR. What do we have to learn? NCR, not KCR. Okay? Right. NCR means very simple. It is N factorial by, suppose if you take NPR, what is the formula here? N factorial by N minus R factorial. The same I will write. Sir, in extra I will write R factorial. Extra I will write R factorial. Right. Now what I can say is, sir, this is nothing but NPR. Yes or no? Okay. So this is equals to NPR by R factorial. NPR by R factorial. Okay. Right. The next point we have to notice is, suppose anywhere if he is asking about 5C2 is how much? This is the one that we have to follow. NPR by R factorial. NPR means 5P2. 5P2 means what will you do? 5 into 4. Yes or no? 5P2 by 2 factorial. By 2 factorial. Clear? Good. Now tell me what is the value of 100C3? 100 into 99 into 98 by 3 factorial. By 3 factorial. Is it clear? Come on, speak out once. Just a second. Right. About the next one. Is it clear for you? Here, the beauty of NCR is equal to NC N minus R. These two are equal. NCR is equal to NC N minus R. Because suppose if you want NCR, can I apply this formula? N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. Yes or no? Okay, NC N minus R, I am applying this formula. Okay, N factorial by, here in the denominator you have to write difference between these two, right or wrong? Yes or no? What's the difference between these two, N and N minus R? N minus N plus R, cancel. So you got R factorial. Into what you are writing, NCR means this one you are writing here as is. This one I have to write as is, right? It will be N minus R factorial. Now observe, both are same or different? Both are same. Both are same. Is it clear? That is the advantage of NCR is equal to NC N minus R. Okay, from this what I can say is, anywhere if you want 5C4, okay, we can write it as 5C, 5 minus 4 is how much? 1. 5C4 is equal to 5C1. Okay, now tell me, anywhere if you want to calculate 100C99, suppose, if you go like this, you have to write 100 into 99 into 98 into and so on 99 times by 99 factorial. Before you write only the examination hall, the exam will be completed, right or wrong? So then what you have to do? 100C99 means you write it as 100C1. 100C1 means 100 only. 100C1 means how much? 100 only. Okay. Right, good. Yeah, now tell me here, 9C6, what can I write? 9C6 means 9C3. Got it? Like this we have to work out. Like this we have to work out. Okay, good. So the basics, what you have to memorize is NC naught is equals to NCN is equals to 1. NC1 is equals to NCN minus 1 is equals to N. These are the two values you should memorize. These are the two values you should memorize. Okay. So now can you expect what is the common mistake you will do? Will you expect what the mistake that you can do in the examination hall? Anywhere if you want to simplify NPR, you will apply NCR. If you want to apply it by using NCR, you will apply, there ends the game. Okay. Next second one, NCR is equals to NC, N minus R. But I have not specified that NPR is equals to NP, N minus R. You will apply that. You will take the liberty and you will apply that, you will be hanged. Okay. Next one, NCN value is how much here? 1. NPN is N factorial. NCN minus 1 is N. NPN minus 1 is N factorial. See, I am writing both together. Okay. So, NC naught is equals to NP naught is equals to 1. Both are equal, not a problem. NC1 is equals to NP1 is equals to N. Not a problem, both are correct, same. The game changes at NCN is equal to 1, but NPN is equals to N factorial. Okay, NCN minus 1 is equals to N, whereas NPN minus 1 is equals to again N factorial. Hope you understand where the mistakes that you can do, where you can apply the mistakes. Instead of and NCR is equals to NCN minus R, that you can't say here. That you can't say for P. That you can't say for P. Is it clear? Good. These are the combinations. Okay. Instead of NCN, if you take NPN, it's gone. That's the problem. Okay. So far, I have not explained you what is the concept of permutations and what is the combination of what is the concept of combinations. Okay. Right. So now we have to enter into permutations and combinations. Shall we start? Permutations and combinations. Very good. Permutations and combinations. Okay. Yeah, before going into the concept of permutations and combinations, I would like to ask you one question. That is, yeah, today is Saturday, right? Tomorrow is Sunday. If everybody is interested in coming to the class, tomorrow we will schedule the class from 5 to 8. Okay. If you feel that, sir, every day we are coming to the class now, we will take Sunday holiday, we won't conduct the class. Okay. The decision is purely yours. Do you want the class or not? Okay. Those who says we want it, rise. If more people says yes means we will conduct. Yes. I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 members says no. Honesty is important. Hey, you raise it both the times, no? No, yes, no. Okay, good. No, rise. 1, 2, 3. Nota is a different case. Okay, only no case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my God, that is 12, this is 10. What about nota? Anything is okay. Okay, good. Yeah, if it is 12-10, difficult to break the tie. If it is 18-4, we can say that yes, it is a class. Or yes, no, there is no class. Okay. Again, after half an hour, I'll ask you. Or before I give the handout to you, I'll ask you. Because you only need to break the tie. Okay. If it is, we are in, what do we say, democracy. Democracy means 50.00001 also equal, right or wrong? Percentage is also equal to winning. Okay, in that case, okay class. But if less strength comes means we will get demotivated. Okay, I don't want that. Okay, that is the reason after half an hour or after completion of the basics, before I give the handout to you, okay, I'll ask you a question in a different way that if we conduct the class, how many attend you? You want or that is secondary case. Even though some people may don't want the class. But if you conduct the class means we don't want to miss. Yes or no? Okay, such students might also be there. That's why I'll ask the question. Okay, while thinking this concept, simultaneously think about it. Okay, after? Very good. So, permutations and combinations. So, listen carefully. Okay, so in these two, first you should know the clear-cut difference between what is permutation and what is combination. Where do we go for permutations? Where do we go for combinations? Okay. Right, first of all, observe that. Here, one fine day, day after tomorrow is Holi, na? Monday. Okay, so for Holi, yes, it is. Okay, right. Yeah, on that eve, I want to buy a pair of pant shirt. I went to shopping mall to buy one pair of shirt and trouser. Superb. So now my question for you is, which one I have to select first? Shirt or trouser? Shirt. So it was written in Constitution. Which article? Not now. Then how can you say that only shirt? If I select a shirt, corresponding trouser I will select. If I select a trouser, corresponding shirt I will select. Now tell me which one I can choose? Yes. There is no speciality. If I take a shirt, corresponding trouser. Trouser, corresponding shirt. Yes or no? Okay. So order is not important in this case. Order is not important in this case. Okay, good. Suppose in these people, I want to conduct one small game. Okay. Which game? Chess. How many people will play it? I am not asking about you. One chess match means how many people will play? Two. That's what I am asking. I am not asking, are you the player of chess or not? Yes, I am also interested. Okay. So after the class, we will meet outside and play the chess. Okay. Under the street lights. Right, good. Leave it. Okay. How many players will play? 2 persons. Okay. 2 persons means, suppose in this class, I want to schedule only one match here on the dash. Means I can select 2 persons. These two can be, these two can be, these two can be, those two can be, that one and this one may be. Yes or no? I can select any 2. Suppose randomly I have called these 2 persons to play the chess here. Okay. Her name is A, her name is B. Okay. A and B I have invited to play the chess match. Okay. Will anybody ask me that, sir, whom you have chosen first? A you have chosen or B you have chosen? Will you ask a such question, or you will say that these 2 members means, okay, rivalry is good. It's a good match. Or sir, these 2 are not a good combination. Will you say like that, or you will say that whom you selected first? Here in Indian cricket team here, okay, so 11 members will be selected. Suppose these are the 11 members. Out of these 11 members, these 8 members are the batsmen, suppose. Or these 6 members are the batsmen. All will come at a time, or only 2 will come at a time? Okay, I said that A and B are the openers. A and B are the openers. Okay, you being the audience, what you will think? This combination is best one or not? Yes or no? That's it only you will think. You will never ask that whom you selected first. You selected A first, then B, or B selected then A. Will you ask a question like that or not? Never. Means order is important or not important? Not important. Anywhere if order is not important, we will call it as combination. Okay? Anywhere if order is not important, we will call it as combination. Okay? Right, observe a small point here. Okay, so we have the 10 days workshop for CSAT, right? Okay, on the 11th day, the management decided to take the team of Reflection IAS to one tour. Select one place. Which one? For tour. Say loudly. Kulu Manali. Oh my God. Okay, we are going to Vikarabad. Example, I'm saying. Or else we are going to Goa. Okay? So, summer na? Goa is a good destination or not? Yes, it is. Okay, we plan to go for Goa. Okay, since it's... What happened? Is it good destination or not? Good. So, yeah, we plan to go for a Goa tour. So, for that we will book some vehicle, right? Okay, so we are just, what we say, 10 members or 14 members of the employees are there. Okay, but the 14-seater exact vehicle is not available. So that's why we have booked a traveler vehicle with 16 seats. How many seats are there? 16 seats. Means how many seats are vacant? 2 seats. Okay, that's why management said that, Amanna sir, you select 2 members from the students. Because whether we go 14 members or 16 members, the price is almost same or different except food, etc. Yes or no? Okay, if I want to go for Goa, which is the major expense? Going to and coming. 2 and 4 charges are more. Okay, that's the reason they said that, sir, select 2 members. Select 2 members means I can select those 2. I can select those 2. I can select those 2. Any 2 members. Nobody asks that, sir, whom you selected first, yes or no? I said that, sir, I'm taking these two, sir. They will say that, these two, nice, nice. They will also mix with the faculty well. Yeah, nice combination, sir. They will say, sir, no. They will never ask that whom you selected first. So it's a combination. Sir, at the time of sitting in the tempo traveler, 16 members we have to sit now. Okay, these 2 members will give comfortable seats or last 2 seats only? Last 2 seats only, right? So it's a summer means we have booked a AC vehicle. What happened? Right, it's an AC vehicle. Okay, and the last 2 seats we given to them, these 2 members. The names are A and B. So AC, non-AC, the major difference is if non-AC means door will be open, window. AC means it will be closed only, right or wrong? Okay, even though it is closed, both A and B says that, sir, since it is AC bus, window, non-window, not a difference. I can sit anywhere, they will say, or they will say that, so suppose this is the bus. These 2 seats are we allocated to these people. Window, non-window, don't say window, it's window, okay, right, window, non-window. Okay, but A and B will start quarreling that, sir, I want the window seat. Yes or no? A says. B says that I want window seat, window seat. Yes or no? Okay, quarreling will start, right or wrong? If I want to make them to sit there, AB is one arrangement, BA is another arrangement. In this case, order is important or not important? A followed by B or B followed by A. Order is important or not important? Important. If order is important, we will call it as permutation. Okay? Right. Always remember, anywhere, if order is important, permutation. Not important, combination. Order important, permutation. Not important means combination. Okay? Right here. Observe that. Combination problems are very, very, very easy. The common words that he will use in the combinations is, okay, right, observe that. So combination means, can I say, I have to select a shirt and a trouser. That's what the example I gave, right? Selection is important. Okay. So he uses the word select or selection. Okay. Selection is nothing but choosing, yes or no? Okay. Selection is nothing but choose. Choosing is nothing but drawing from the rack. Yes or no? So choose are nothing but draw. Okay. Drawing from the rack is nothing but picking from the rack. Yes or no? Sometimes he uses the word pick. Okay. Right. Now another point. So observe, India 11 members team is required, right? You are all 100 members who played Ranji Trophy this year. From these 100 players, I have to select 11 players. Yes or no? Suppose I am the selection committee head. I decided to select 11 members. If I select, suppose these 11 members, okay, the entire India says that, yes, we have good batsmen, good bowlers, good wicket keepers, okay, all-rounders, okay, it's a nice one. Suppose if I selected all batsmen, they will say that, yeah, this is a waste combination, yes or no? If I have taken perfect combination of batsmen and bowlers, all-rounders, wicket keepers, then what happens here automatically? They will say that this is a perfect team. They will never ask that whom you selected first. They won't ask me that you selected Kohli first, you selected Rohit Sharma first, you selected Bukhara first. Nobody asks the question like that, right or wrong? They won't consider that whom you selected first. Yes or no? That is the reason. Anywhere, if they said team, it is a combination. Team means combination. Okay, right. The team is nothing but another name of team is jury. Jury member, jury panel, right? Can I call it as what do we say? Team? Okay, I want to form a committee. Okay, so to give some suggestions to BCCI, okay, I want some batsmen, bowlers, and all-rounders, right or wrong? Okay, so there are 10 batsmen, okay, 8 bowlers, and 3 all-rounders. I have to select one batsman, one bowler, one wicket or one all-rounder. Okay, so this is nothing but the committee to advise my country, yes or no? In this committee, first I have to select the batsman or bowler or the all-rounder, anyone. Anyone. Means committee means it's a combination. Okay. So committee means combination. Is it clear? Right. In combinations, what is the first alphabet? In combinations, we'll go with the concept of NCR. We'll go with the concept of NCR. Do you understand the concept of combinations? Good. Shall we do a few examples on it? Okay. I have 100 players. How many players are there? 100 players. How can I select 5 members? Selection means combination. From 100 you have to select 5 means it is NCR. Right or wrong? Means 100 C5. Forgot to inform you that anywhere if you are going with NCR also, the rule is that N should be greater than or equal to R. Okay, and N and R both are whole numbers. These two are mandatory conditions. Those two are mandatory conditions. Is it clear? Good. Right here. So from 100 players, if I want to select 5, that can be done in 100 C5. Okay, there are 20 music directors. Okay, musicians. I want to select 4. Okay, how many ways I can? You tell me. 20 C4. The game is over. Combination is clear or not clear? Sir, shall we go one step ahead of it? Okay, good. The one step ahead is, sir, I have 5 lawyers. Okay, and 4 doctors. Okay, and 3 engineers. Okay. I want to form a committee. Consists of 2 lawyers, 1 doctor, and 1 engineer. How many ways it can be done? Okay. Committee means permutation or combination? Combination. Okay. Committee is combination. Then what should I think is? Okay. So from 5 lawyers you have to select 2. That can be done in 5 C2 ways. Yes or no? From 4 doctors you have to select 1. That can be done in? Come on, speak out. 4 C1. From 3 engineers 1. Okay. So now my question is, I have to go with into or I have to go with plus. Got my point? Okay. For this, I'll give you 3 types of explanations. Okay? Okay, right, listen carefully. The actual concept says that anywhere if you find for every meaning, you have to go with multiplication. You have to go with multiplication. So example, sir, I want to travel from A to C. I want to travel from A to C. Okay. To travel from A to C, A to B, I have 2 routes. How many routes I have? 2 routes. B to C, I have 3 routes. Okay. How many routes are there from A to C? He is asking. How many ways I can travel from A to C? Okay. If you go in the conventional manner, okay, 1, 2, 3, yes or no? 4, 5, 6. This is the conventional way. Instead of that, sir, I can travel from A to B in 2 ways, sir. For every possible way of my journey, I have 3 other possibilities, right? Yes or no? For every means I said multiply, right or wrong? Okay, happily answer is 2 into 3. You got 6 only right earlier also? 6 ways we can. Okay, wherever you find for every, you have to go with into. Okay, right. So this we can explain in a different way that anywhere if you have the meaning of and, go with into. If you have the meaning of or, you have to go with plus. And means into, or means plus. Or means plus. Do you understand this? Okay, good. Next one. Sir, this is one beautiful way to do this one. See, observe that I have to select 2 lawyers, one doctor and 1 engineer. That means that 2 lawyers and 1 doctor and 1 engineer. Yes or no? And means plus or into. So now tell me, this is into or plus? This is one beautiful way to solve it. The procedure that I follow mostly is, observe, if the work completed plus. If the work not completed, multiplication. Okay. So I will follow this one. Whichever you like, you can follow that. Okay, but I like this one, so that's why I will follow it. Okay. Right. Observe that. Here from 5 lawyers, you selected 2 lawyers. How many ways you can do? 5 C2 ways. Is the work completed? When your work will be completed, if you select all the members. Not completed, so into. Okay, from the 4 doctors, you selected 1. That can be done in 4 C1 ways. Is the work completed? No. So again into. From the 3, you have to select 1. Yes, completed. Suppose if you have any other possible way, then you have to go with plus because the work is completed. Because the work is completed. Is it clear for you? Say loudly. Okay, good. Right. Now, I am asking you one question. Already I have explained you what is under, that is into, or if the work is not completed, right? One question, observe that. In a class, 5 red shirt people, 4 green shirt people, 6 yellow dirty fellow shirt people are there. Okay? Right. I want to select 3. How many I have to select? 3 selected. Okay, there should be 1 red. 1 red shirt there. Exactly. How many ways you can do it? How many ways? 5C1 into get. Yes, students will get a doubt that, sir, you have given 3 groups. Condition is on only 1 group. Sir, earlier 3 groups are there. Condition will also be on 3 groups. Happy, sir. Now what should I do? Okay. What I have to observe is, in a society, coming to real life, I always feels that only 2 members are there in the society, in the world. You know that? Number 1, me. Number 2, other than me. Yes or no? Only 2 people. Number 1, me. Number 2, other than me. In the world, I feel only 2 women are there. You know? Number 1 is my wife. Number 2 is other than my wife. Only 2 women are there. Yes or no? Do you understand my answer? Okay. If the condition is on red, I feel that only 2 colors are there. Number 1 is red. Number 2 is other than red. Or non-red simply. Right or wrong? Okay. The condition is on red. So then I have only 2 colors. What they are? Red and other than red. Okay. So, how many red are there? 5 red. So, these 2 are non-reds only. Right or wrong? So, 10 non-red are there. Condition is that you should get exactly 1 red. Okay, 1 red means from the 5 you have to select 1, that can be done in 5C1. Okay, the work is not completed in 2. So, total how many you have to select? 3. 1 is red, means the remaining 2 are non-red. How many non-red are there? 10. From that you have to select 2, that can be done in 10 C2 ways. Is it clear for you? Say it loudly. Clear? Good. Now I am going to the next one. Okay, this type of questions. So far, if you observe, you got the questions with multiplication, not with addition. Shall we take one example? Okay, good. So, the same data I am giving, sir. There are 5 red, 4 green and 6 yellow. Okay, 3 are selected such that there should be at least 1 red. What's the difference between the previous one and this one? Previous one strictly 1 red. Now you have at least 1 red. What is the meaning of at least 1? 1 or? Come on, speak out. 1 or more. Okay. So, anyhow, the condition is on red. So, we will say that there are 5 red and 6 non-red. Yes or no? 6? Sorry, 10 non-red. Say yes or no? You should select 1 red or at least 1 red. That means that there might be 1 red. There might be 2 red. There might be all the 3 are red, because you are selecting 3 means more than 3 is not possible. 3 cases you have to think. If you select 1 red, what about the remaining 2? Say loudly. Non-red. If you select 2 red, the remaining 1 is non-red. If you select 3 red, the remaining is nothing. Yes or no? 3 cases. Okay, now I am going with the concept. From the 5 red, you have to select 1. That can be done in 5C1. The work completed or not completed? You have to select 3, but you selected only 1. The work is not completed. So, I am going with into. So, how many non-red you have to select? 2. From the 10, you have to select 2. That can be done in 10C2 ways. How many you selected now? 3. How many you selected now? 3. How many you have to select? 3. Now, tell me the work is completed or not completed? Completed. Completed means plus. Now, I am going to the other way. Okay. From the 5, you have to select 2. That can be done in? Come on, you speak out. 5C2. Now, plus or into? Into 10C1 plus. From the 5, you have to select 3. If you want, you can write 10C 0 because 10C 0 is 1 means no need to write. No need to write. Yeah, I don't want the values here. You can further simplify. 5C1 means 5. 10C2 means 10 into 9 by 2, 45. Okay, you can simplify. That's your headache. I'm not involving into it. Okay, good. Next one. These all are the basic level questions and the conceptual questions. Shall we go to the next level questions? Are you ready? Do you know the definition of a polygon? Sorry, not a polygon. Yeah, tell me, what's the definition of a polygon? A closed figure with at least 3 sides. 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides, all are what we say polygons only. Okay, 3 sides polygon is triangle. 4 side polygon is quadrilateral. 5 side polygon is pentagon. 6 sides is hexagon. 7 septagon. 8 sides octagon. 9 sides nonagon. 10 sides decagon. 11 sides, don't you know? Polygon with 11 sides. Or 11 sided polygon. Got it? So 20 sides. That's it. You got it. Okay. Suppose if a polygon has n sides, how many vertices will it have? A polygon has n sides. How many vertices will it have? N only here. Take a triangle, 3 sides, 3 vertices, right or wrong? Quadrilateral, 4 sides, 4 vertices, right or wrong? Both are same or different? Same. Okay. So this is the first point. Okay. Now another question I want to ask you. Okay, define a diagonal in your own words. Telugu and English is comfortable. No other language. Say loudly. 2 opposite vertices if you join. 2 non-adjacent vertices if you join. Any other? What's a diagonal? Good. Listen carefully. Here, 2 non-adjacent vertices if you join, you will get a quadrilateral. So you will get a diagonal, not opposite. Okay? Because if I ask diagonal, automatically you will memorize either square or rectangle. These two are opposite, diagonal, superb. I like it. But my question for you is, it's a pentagon. For this, which is opposite one? This one or this one or this one or this one? Nothing is opposite. Okay. So what I said, 2 non-adjacent vertices if you join. Okay, this is one. This is adjacent, I don't want. This is non-adjacent. Yeah, this is a diagonal. For this is also non-adjacent. This is a diagonal. For this is adjacent. I don't want it. Okay. For this is not adjacent. This is. Got it? Those all are the diagonals. Okay. Right now the question he is asking is number of diagonals. Here, why I am explaining this is, so far you know the concept of what do we say, combinations by using NCR only. There is another way of solving the problems other than NCR. Let us see that. Okay. Right. Good. Number of diagonals means, okay, with n sides or n vertices. You can give anything. N sides or n vertices. What you have to think is, how do you get a diagonal if you join 2 vertices? If you join 2 vertices, first vertices, second vertices. N sides means you have how many vertices? N vertices. The first one can be anything, yes or no? The first one can be anything. So how many ways I can select it? N ways. The work is not completed, so into. Okay, observe that. Here, suppose if I have selected this is the first vertices. The second vertices again it will be or will not be? So one vertices is removed. For this 2 other adjacent vertices will be there, right? Those 2 will be removed. Total how many we have to remove? 3 need to be removed. So how many other vertices we can select? Out of n vertices itself and 2 neighbors need to be removed. How many need to be removed? 3 removed. So how many other we can take? N minus 3. Okay, wait. The game is not over. Listen carefully. Okay. Here suppose observe that I am naming it A, B, C, D, E, right? Okay, now tell me, BE is a diagonal, yes or no? If you count like that, BE will also come, right? First vertices is B, second vertices is E. This is one case, yes or no? Why don't I take the first vertices as E? N ways means this will also come, right? Second vertices means other than neighbors and itself, so B will also come. Yes or no? BE and EB are two diagonals or only one diagonal? BE and EB, two diagonals or only one diagonal? If you increase one diagonal, but if you go like this, you're counting both. You're counting both. Means if you go in this manner, that means that order is important for you, right? This manner means that order is important. If order is important, it is permutation or combination? Permutation. Okay, permutation means NPR. But our answer is NPR or NCR? To convert it into NCR, can I say that I have to divide with R factorial? Yes or no? Okay. 2 times you write means, can I imagine that R value is 2? 2 values you write means it will be 2 only, right or wrong? Okay, that's why you have to write by 2. 2 factorial means 2 only, right? This is the formula for number of diagonals. Okay, anyway, if you want to go like this, okay, so automatically what the thing that you have to do is, by also mandatory to write. By also mandatory to write. Is it clear? So do you understand 2 processes? Number 1 is NCR. Number 2 is going as a permutation, because we will never get other than that possibility. Okay, come to this one. Do you have any other possibility to go other than this? No, that's why n minus 3, like a permutation I have gone, then I am dividing with 2 factorial. Got my point? Okay, like this we have to check. This is known as combinations. Any doubts in combinations here? Any doubts? No. Okay, now I am going to permutations. Okay, now I am going to permutations. Okay. Right, permutations means, already I have said that, okay, 2 members need to be seated in the bus. Okay, window, non-window means, okay, A here, B here, one arrangement. Okay, A here, B here, another arrangement, right? Both I said that arrangements. Okay, permutations is nothing but arrangements. What is the meaning of permutation? Arrangements. Okay. Right, in permutations, what is the first alphabet? P, na? So I don't say that always we will go with NPR, but most of the times we will go with NPR. Most of the times we will go with the NPR. Is it clear for you? Good. Next one. Next one. Here, the point you have to learn is, suppose to my home 3 members A, B, C entered into my home. How many friends came to my home? 3 friends, A, B and C, or 3 guests. Okay, in my home we have 3 chairs. Automatically those 3 members, in those 3 chairs they will sit. Can I call it as permutation? No? Permutation or not, I am asking. Permutation, because sir, A sit here, B here, C here. They can sit like this. Sir, A here, C here, B here. Another way of sitting, right? The 3 persons only are sitting in different arrangements. Now tell me, this is permutation or not? Yes, it is. Okay. If it is permutation, the concept that I can use is, observe, 1, 2, 3 chairs. 1, 2, 3 chairs. This can be occupied by A or B or C. Means how many ways I can fill it? 3 ways. The game is over or not over? If the work is not completed, you have to go with addition or multiplication? Multiplication. Come to this one. Here, 3 members, one already sat here. Immediately that person will come again here? No. Only how many members? 2 members. Okay, 2 ways. The work is not completed in 2. Now only 1 member. I will say that you don't have option. Sit here. Yes or no? I will command him. Yes or no? Right. So 3 into 2 into 1, nothing but 3 factorial is nothing but 3 ways. Yes or no? That's it. That's it. Suppose if I have 5 persons came to my home and I have 5 chairs, how many ways I can arrange them into those 5 chairs? Okay? Right. Can I say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this can be occupied by any of the 5 persons. This can be 4. Next 3, 2, 1. Simply 5 factorial or 5p 5. If you observe 3 methodologies, I am explaining you consistently, right? Okay. Right. Let's go for the next question. So suppose 5 persons came to my home. Yeah, suppose tomorrow you all come to my home, suppose. You all selected for the civil services. Okay, you want to give one small bouquet to me or one sweet to me all together. Okay, so you came to my home. So you 20 members, in my home, is it possible to give 20 chairs for you? No, I might have 3, I might have 4, I might have 5, right or wrong? Okay, like that. 5 persons came to my home. Sir, we are very poor, sir. We have only 2 chairs in my home. How many ways I can fill them? Got it? Okay, 2 chairs. This can be filled by any of the 5. This can be by 4. Yes or no? So that is nothing but 5p2 only, but factorial is not possible. Factorial is not possible because tell me here. So if I have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I can write 5 factorial. If I have 2 into 1 means I can write 2 factorial, but that nothing is not there. So when do you go for the factorial? If all are equal. If all are equal, we can go with the factorial, else we should not. Okay? Right. Anyhow, do you understand this? Do you understand this? Now I am asking you, 100 persons came to my home, we have 20 chairs in my home. How many ways I can arrange them? Say loudly. All of you. 100 P 20. Superb. Sir, I have 50 persons came to my home. I have only 15 chairs at my home. How many ways I can arrange? 50 P 50. Sir, what do we say? 3 members came to my home. We have 20 chairs at my home. How many ways I can arrange them? 3 persons came to my home. At my home, we have 20 chairs. How many ways I can arrange them? It is possible or impossible? Say loudly. Impossible. Okay, observe a small point. Look at the classroom. Look at the classroom. Chairs are more or persons are more? I can arrange you or not? Now tell me, it is impossible or possible? Possible. The answer will be 20p3. So far you thought that you selected one chair, right or wrong? Now, okay, 3 persons are standing here. 20 chairs. I will select this. 20 chairs, any chair may occupy this, right or wrong? Take this person. Okay, 19 chairs, any chair can occupy this person. 18 chairs, anyone can occupy this chair. Okay, so answer is 20p3. Got it? So it is not number of persons, p number of chairs. Okay, the concept is very simple. Larger number, p smaller number. N should be always greater than or equal to r, right? So that's why this is the combination. Is it clear for you? Okay, good. Now, the question I am giving small change. Small change. Okay, this change is important. Listen carefully. Okay, I don't give you all the models. If I give you all the models, while you are doing the problems, your brain will not work. Your brain searches for what Sir said. Yes or no? In the examination, is there any assurance that whatever is the model that I have given, the same will be given, or you have to think in the examination hall? You have to think. That's why I'll give you only the basic concept. Okay, the applications you only need to do. Okay, good. I have 20 persons came to my home. How many persons? Okay, no chairs. I said all the 20 members stand in a row. Stand in a row. Means indirectly all have one place to stand. Yes or no? Okay, 20 places, 20 persons and 20 places to stand. How many ways you can arrange? 20 factorial. Yes or no? But sir, here 3 members said that, sir, we three are very best friends. Always we will sit together. We will stand together. So all three members always together. How many ways we can arrange? How many ways we can arrange? Do you understand the question? Okay, suppose you are 20 members. I have given 20 chairs for you, right or wrong? You can happily arrange among yourself. These 3 said that, sir, we 3 are friends. We want to sit together. Then what I will do is simply, I'll take a thread, a rope, tie them. So that what happens, sir? Anywhere if one person moves, only one will go or all the 3 will go? The game is over, right? Okay, good. So that's why these 3 members I have taken as a one entity or one unit by keeping them in a box. Okay, large box I have taken, these 3 members thrown into that box. Anywhere that box moves, automatically these 3 will be adjacent, right or wrong? Okay, now tell me, those 3 members you will take as 3 units or only 1 unit? 3 members, 1 unit. What about the remaining 17 members? 17 units. Yes or no? Okay, automatically what happens, sir? 18 units I have. I can arrange themselves in 18 factorial, yes or no? But one small problem is there, sir. I kept these 3 members in the box. In the box, what they can do? They can, yes or no? Suppose A, B, C. In that order, I place in the box. After some time, she will go there, she will come here. They will be arranged among themselves, right or wrong? So I said that these 3 should be adjacent. I am not saying that A's right side should be B, B's right side should be C. Like that, I have not given any condition, right or wrong? That's why these three can be arranged among themselves. That's why into 3 factorial. So what is the answer? 18 factorial into 3 factorial. Now tell me the procedure. If somebody needs to come together is very simple. Okay, keep them as 1 unit. Okay, you will get total some units arranged among themselves. Then these people also need to be arranged among themselves. Am I clear? I'm giving one more example. Try to answer. Okay, I have 10 persons. Okay, into 10 chairs, such that 2 always together. 2 always together. How many ways it can be done? Now you decide to explain me. You do the problem and give me the answer. Say loudly. 9 factorial into 2 factorial. Because those 2 members you will take as 1 unit. Remaining 8 members, 8 units. Total is 9 units. So 9 factorial. And those 2 need to be arranged among themselves. So 9 factorial into 2 factorial. Am I clear to you? Okay, good. This is about the arrangement of persons. Coming to arrangement of alphabets, one small change is there. Observe that I said her name is A. A sat on this chair. Is it possible for her to sit on this chair also? Sitting in this chair and sitting in this chair also means occupying 2 chairs. Is possible or not possible? Don't say that, sir, kept her legs. Only sitting, okay. So, one person will occupy only 1 chair. What's my name? Amarnath. Okay, spell it. A-M-A-R-N-A, not T, D-H. Okay. So, here if you observe, here these all are alphabets, right? Yes or no? Sir, A is the alphabet sat in 3 chairs. Yes or no? Is it possible for the persons to sit? No. It is possible only with the alphabets. It is possible only with the alphabets. Okay. Arrangement of alphabets and arrangement of persons are differed only with this repetition only. Only with this repetition. Okay. Total I will explain you 3 models. Okay. 3 models, 1 or 2 examples. That's it. Okay. Right. Suppose A, B, C, D, E. I have given how many alphabets? 5 alphabets. He is asking how many 5-letter words can be formed. Okay. Sir, in the examination, he is asked about how many 5-letter words will be formed by using the alphabets A, B, C, D and E. What you have to think is, first it is permutation or combination you have to understand. Okay. This permutation or combination. Okay. Suppose my name is Amar, A-M-A-R. Yes or no? The same alphabets I will write, but I will jumble. Suppose if somebody calls like this, same alphabets or different alphabets? Same alphabets, right? Okay. In my register, if they write instead of A-M-A-R, they wrote R-A-M-A, Rama. I will immediately ask, where is Sita? Yes or no? Will I respond or I will not respond? Will I accept or I will not accept? Say loudly, yaar. No. Now tell me, order is important or not important? Oh, if order is important, that is permutation. But my point, in the examination also, sometimes you will get a doubt that, sir, this is permutation or combination. You should check yourself like this. Should check yourself like this. Okay. Yeah. It is order is important means this is permutation, sir. Okay, fine. Any alphabet repeated or not repeated? Remember that. Until he specified that repetition is allowed, we should always feel that repetition is not allowed. If repetition is allowed, he will specifically mention that repetition is allowed. Got my point? This is one point you should notice. Right. The second important point is, sir, for my mail ID, I want to set one password. For my mail ID, I want to set one password. Only alphabets. Okay. Can I set my password as AMAR? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, we can. Here, password means nobody. Suppose for your mobile, you are setting your pins here. Yes or no? Can you set 1111? Will it accept or will not accept? So, repetition is allowed or not allowed? Okay. Anywhere, if he is asking about password, pins, etc., automatically no need to mention that repetition is allowed. Repetition will be allowed only. Because you have to use your common sense wherever it is. Okay. because what we can observe is, set a password to your mobile, set a password to your mail ID something. then the password may consist of A. That means that no need to specify that the repetition is allowed. Directly repetition is allowed. Other than that, okay, if any other case, repetition is not allowed until he specifies. Until he specifies. Do you understand my point? Okay, good. Already I have given the clarity regarding digits also. Regarding digits also. Because in digits also what we have? What we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Setting a pin will be there. Repetition by default not allowed. But pin means repetition is allowed. Okay? Good. 5-letter words means suppose no repetition. Okay. So now onwards I will write as NR. NR means no repetition. Okay, 5 alphabets, sir. A, B, C, D. Anybody may occupy this 5 ways. This can be 4, 3, 2, 1, 5 factorial, 5p5. Sir, I feel that as is that of person's arrangement. Yes or no? Yes or no? Suppose if he is asking about 4-letter words, what I can say here directly? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Or else I can say that 5p4. 3-letter words. Tell me here. Said loudly. 5p3. If no repetition. If no repetition. Okay. Sir, suppose if repetition is allowed. Repetition is allowed. Then what I should think is, observe, what I should think is, this can be occupied by any of the 5 alphabets. Yes or no? A, B, C, D, E. Into, work is not completed into. Sir, the second place can also be occupied by any of the 5 alphabets because repetition is allowed. So again, this can be done in 5 ways. This can be done in 5 ways. So 5 power 5. Suppose if he is asked about 4-letter words, repetition is allowed. Now onwards I will write as RA means repetition is allowed. Okay. Now what happens here? First place 5 ways, second place 5 ways, third place 5 ways, fourth place 5 places, only 4 places. So can I say the answer is 5 power 4? Yes or no? 3-letter words, it will be repetition allowed means 5 cube. Got it? This is the way that we have to do it. Okay? Right. Shall we go for the next one? Here in these 2 cases, repetition allowed and no repetition models are there. Okay, but the beauty that you have to observe is the alphabets I have chosen are all different. A, B, C, D, E. If all are different, okay, even though I have given 5, I can ask 4-letter words, 3-letter words, all. But suppose if the alphabets are same, then he cannot ask such question. Okay? Suppose how many 4-letter words with the letters of the word AMAR he is asking. AMAR, how many alphabets are there? 4. So A is repeated, right? Then what you can think is simply, he can ask only 4-letter words. He is unable to ask 3-letter words. Okay? Right, good. So then what happens is, 4-letter words now simply 4 factorial by. Anything repeated? Yes, A repeated. How many times? 2 times. So 2 factorial. This is when no repetition. This is when no repetition. Suppose if repetition is allowed. If repetition is allowed. Okay, what I can think is, I should go with distinct alphabets. Distinct alphabets. What are the distinct alphabets? A, M, R. How many are there? 3. You are asking about 4-letter words now. This can be occupied by any of the A, M, R. So 3 ways. The work is completed or not completed. So into. Repetition is allowed, right? Again anybody may come, right? So again 3 ways. Repetition is allowed. So again 3 ways. Again 3 ways. So answer will be 3 power 4. 3 power 4. Okay? Okay. Okay. How many ways you can arrange this? Engineering. Okay. No repetition and repetition allowed. You give the answer for this one. My God. Completed, no repetition? How many ways we can arrange with when there is no repetition? Total 11 alphabets, so 11 factorial by, okay, E appeared for 3 times, so 3 factorial into, okay, again 3 factorial, why? Because N appeared for 3 times, 3 factorial into, okay, G appeared for 2 times, right? So 2 factorial into, I appeared for 2 times, right? 2 factorial. Yes or no? That is the no repetition case. Okay, if repetition is allowed, what will you do? How many distinct alphabets are there? You have to find, right? How many distinct alphabets are there? How many? 5. Yeah, what they are? E, N, G, I, R. 5 alphabets. So total how many places? How many places? 11 places. So 5 into 5 into and so on. Last one answer 5. So answer will be 5 power 11. Okay. This is known as arrangement of alphabets. Arrangement of alphabets. Here in permutations and combinations, it is difficult to separate the concept. That's why the total concept I am giving once. Then what happens here? Next onwards, handout explanation, handout explanation, handout explanation. No basics. No more basics. Clear? Yeah, can I go to the next? So we have observed arrangement of persons, arrangement of alphabets. Both are same or different? Persons and alphabet. Where the difference is? Repetition. Okay. So now my question is arrangement of alphabets and arrangement of digits. Both are same or different? Same or different? Same. Why? Repetition is allowed in both the cases. But remember that both are different. Why? Because we have A to Z 26 alphabets. We have the words starting with A, ending with A, middle A, second letter A, fourth letter A, 10th letter A. Yes or no? Same to same for B. Same to same for C. Same to same for Z also. Right or wrong? First letter A, last letter E, first letter Z, last letter Z. All we have. Suppose I have 10 digits, sir. How many digits I have? 10 digits. What they are? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right or wrong? Give me one 3-digit number. 3, 4, 5. You give me one 3-digit number. Let it go. 1, 2, 3. Good. Give me one. Okay, now I will give you. Tell me, is it a 3-digit number or not? Okay, 289. 174. 012. Oh, first place should not be occupied by 0. You have a condition. Now tell me arrangement of alphabets and arrangement of digits. Both are same or different? What's the difference? 0. First place should not be occupied by 0. In digit, no such condition. Sir, suppose if I have given a question like this, sir, how many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Okay, 5-digit numbers can be formed if he is asking. Okay, 4-digit numbers can be formed. 3-digit numbers can be formed. Anyone if he asks. 0 is there or not there? Not there. By default, no repetition. If it is a pin, repetition allowed. Else he will specify repetition is allowed. Happily, I can say that when there is no repetition, 5 factorial. Yes or no? When there is repetition allowed, okay, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Yes or no? Yes or no? So, no repetition, happily, 5P4. Yes or no? Repetition allowed means first place can be occupied by 5, second one 5, third one 5, fourth one 5. Yes or no? 3-digit, when there is no repetition, 5P3. So, repetition is allowed means as usual 5 into 5 into 5. Yes or no? Okay. Same as that one or different one? Same. Arrangement of alphabets and arrangement of digits are same here. Okay. So, suppose if he gives 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits I have given? 5 digits only. Now I am asking 5-digit numbers. When there is no repetition, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This can be occupied by any of the 5 or other than 0. Say it loudly. Means how many ways? 4 ways. Yes or no? Okay. Total 5 digits. 1 digit appeared here. Now how many are there? 4. So again 4 ways. Total 5 digits. 2 appeared. Means how many are there still? 3. 3 ways. 2 ways. 1 way. Of course, I can give it as a formula also. But your examination consists of formula-oriented questions or pure conceptual questions. So that's why I'm going with concept only. Suppose if repetition is allowed, not at all a change, sir. 5 digits. First place can be occupied by 0 or other than 0 only. Say it loudly. Means how many ways? 4 ways. The work is not completed into. So second place, sir. You can get a 0. You can get other than a 0. Repetition is allowed. Anybody may come. How many ways? 5 ways. Next one. Next one. Next one. That's it. Do you understand the difference between digits and alphabets? Only changes is 0 available or not. Okay, it should not come at the first place. That's it. All the remaining are same. All the remaining are same. Here now we have one more concept called circular permutations. One more concept called circular permutations. Is it clear? Okay, shall we? Okay, I think today I am unable to conduct the next exam. Okay, because already it is 10 to 8 now. Okay, we have only 10 minutes. Circular permutations I have to explain. Maybe 5 minutes. Maybe 2 minutes. If I give the handout means it will be 9 o'clock. Okay, so already 3 hours without break you are sitting. Okay, already water is required. Washrooms may call you. Okay, so that is the reason I don't want to conduct any examination today. But in the next session, I will conduct all the 3. No, all the 4. I think. Because no basic. Paper, explanation. Paper, explanation. Okay, good. More number of questions will be dealt in the next session. Okay. Suppose if I want to go for circular permutation. Sir, very simple, sir. So far I said 4 persons sat in a row. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 places, 4 ways, 3 ways, 2 ways, 1 way. Means they sat in a linear way, right or wrong? So far I discussed is a linear arrangement. Okay, what about circular arrangement? What about circular arrangement? Okay, so the same 4 persons if I want to arrange here, the same 4 persons if I want to arrange here, one small change is there, sir. Okay, so this is leftmost chair, this is rightmost chair, right? Can I say this chair name is left side first chair? Left side second, left side third, left side fourth, or right side first, right side second, right side third, right side fourth. Each chair has a name before any person sits. Okay, come to this one. What's the name of this chair? No name. Okay, what's the name of this chair? No chair has a name, but I can give them the names. Suppose A sat here. A's left side first chair. A's left side second chair. A left side first second means A's left side third chair. Sir, A's right side first chair, right side second chair. Okay, A's right side third chair. Yes or no? Yes, you got the namings. When you got the namings here? When one person sat there, then the game started. Yes or no? Okay. So now tell me here, n persons, n chairs, circular. How many ways I can do? Suppose if it is linear, happily n factorial, yes or no? All will be arranged. But coming to this one has to be randomly sat. Out of the n persons, I will say that you sit here. Then I will make the arrangement. Yes or no? Now tell me, one person already sat. Now how many persons are there? N minus 1. How many chairs are there? N minus 1. So now the arrangement will be done n minus 1 factorial ways. Do you understand the difference between linear arrangement and circular arrangement? Say it loudly. Yes. All of you. Yes. Good. Can I go with one more example? Okay. 10 persons, 10 chairs in a circular manner. How many ways I can arrange? How many ways? 9 factorial ways. Okay. 20 persons, 20 chairs, circle. How many ways? 19 factorial. Sir, I want to change the question, sir. Can I? Okay. Sir, 20 persons came to my home, sir, for lunch. There is a dining table. Around that, there are some chairs. We have only 10 chairs. How many ways I can arrange? Around a circular table, right? Now tell me. In the previous examples, n persons, n j's, n minus 1 factorial, superb. The same I have given, you are saying that yo-yo. Now it is IAO. It's not yo-yo, right or wrong? Now give me the answer. That is the absolute wrong answer that the students will give. Okay? Right. Actually, you should understand one concept that I said that NCR is equals to NPR by R factorial. Yes or no? Now I will give you one concept. Observe that. Can I say that NPR is nothing but NCR into R factorial? R factorial you utilized in permutations. N persons, n chairs, R factorial. If it is linear, yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Suppose, sir, there are 10 persons and only 5 chairs at my home, or only 3 chairs at my home. How many ways I can arrange? You said that the answer is 10p3, right or wrong? Yes or no? The other way of arranging is, observe, suppose these are 10 members came to my home. I have how many chairs? 3 chairs. Okay, 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. So, linear only, suppose. 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. What I will do is, in these 10 members, okay, she has leg pains, she is fever, okay, she is CM's daughter. So, these 3 need to be seated. Like that, I will select 3 persons. Can I? Can I? Okay, so I can select. Select means combination, 10C3 ways. Nobody sat here. Only 3 persons I have selected. For the remaining, I said that you just stand only, okay? Now, these 3 members came here, 3 chairs. Okay, I will arrange themselves in these 3 chairs. Can I? Two-step procedure. Can I do it or not? Yes. So, since if I select the 3 persons, the game is not over in 2. Now, only 3 persons I selected, only 3 chairs I have. I can arrange themselves 3 factorial ways. Now, tell me both are same or different? 10p3 is equal to 10c3 into 3 factorial. Yes or no? NPR is equal to NCR into R factorial. Yes, it is. Do you understand the 2-step procedure? Say it loudly. Okay, good. Now, the most beautiful point that you have to observe about a circular permutation is, how many persons are there? 20 persons. How many chairs are there around the table? 10 chairs. Okay, linear or circular? Okay, what I will do is 2-step procedure I will follow, sir. From the 20 members, I will select 10. I will select 10. That can be done in how many ways here? 20 C10. Is the work completed? No. So into. Now how many members I selected? 10 members I selected, right? These 10 members only I have to seat them in the around the table, right or wrong? 10 persons, 10 chairs. Linear or circular? So how many ways? So answer is this is the one, but not 19p9. But not 19p9. Do you understand this question? Okay. So now tell me here, 50 persons, 20 chairs in a circle. How many ways you can arrange? First you have to select the members. So that can be done in 50C20. Now you have to arrange. How many ways? 19 factorial. Is it clear? This is about permutation, that is circular permutation. Okay. Next one. Last one. Beads and garlands. What's the last one? Beads and garlands. Okay. Can I go to the last? What is meant by beads? Stones. Different colored stones. Okay. N colored stones can be arranged in a necklace. Necklace means it is a linear one or a circular one, yeah? Say it loudly. Okay, so n minus 1 factorial, yes or no? But one small problem is there, sir. Anybody wear a bangle? Oh, nowadays, no. Okay. Once upon a time, they used to wear the bangles, red dot on their foreheads, okay, band to their hair. Slowly, come to this. Assume this is the necklace. Now we are wearing it. Okay, right, good. So suppose in this necklace, I am using 3 stones. White stone, right side is yellow stone, left side is red stone. Okay, garland may wore like this. Yes or no? Why don't she wear like this? If she wear like this, these two will be same or interchanged? Interchanged. Normally, if I want to arrange white here, yellow here, red here, one arrangement I will do. Suppose I am the one who preparing this one. The second one is normal here, that is white here. These two will interchange. Two arrangements I have to do. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, sir, wearing the necklace like this, like this. Automatically, one arrangement gives two arrangements. Yes or no? Yes or no? The two arrangements are becoming one. Means halved. Means halved. Left and right interchanging will be two cases actually. Instead of arranging them into two cases, you are wearing like this or like this. Yes or no? This is white stone, yellow, red. This is one arrangement. White here, red here, yellow here, another arrangement. Two arrangements, right? Actually, being the goldsmith, I have to do two arrangements. But if it is a necklace, two arrangements are not required. Suppose white, yellow, red. If wears like this, automatically interchange, right? So left and right, two cases are there or two cases are not there? Two cases are not there. Two cases are becoming one means I can say by two. Okay, n beads can be arranged around a garland, in a necklace in n minus 1 factorial ways. Here, instead of beads, n colored flowers can be arranged in a garland in. Here again garland means circular. As usual, n minus 1 factorial. Again, suppose this is the garland. Okay, so presenting to a person like this. Like this. Same that of necklace, right? So again, by two ways. I'm stopping here. Okay? Right. Any other concept that we have to discuss? We will discuss directly while we are doing the problems. While we are doing the problems. Any doubts so far? Yeah, this is the core and fundamental concept of permutations and combinations. Okay, the beautiful points that you have to memorize forever about this one is order is not important means combination, order important means permutation. Until he specifies no repetition, okay, if he specifies repetition is allowed. For passwords, pins, etc., etc., okay, we can take that allowed. Even if you observe in digits, 3-digit number, first digit will be 0 or will not be 0. For my mobile, I want to set a password of 4-digit. First one can be 0. Yes or no? This you have to notice. Okay, next point. So, permutation means directly NPR. Factorial. Something power something. In general, 3 ways. Okay, 1, 2, 3 ways. This can be 5 ways, 4 ways, 3 ways. Yes or no? These are the flow. And other than that, what you have to do is, permutations can be done in 2 steps. Number 1 is combination followed by arrangement. NCR into R factorial. From that, circular permutations. Etc. etc. This is one concept. Got my point? Okay, good. Next one is, in combinations, there will be some questions which you should solve like a permutation. Okay, see how you solved a permutation. Okay, 4 ways, 5 ways, like that you have to do. Yes or no? Okay, you will do that one. By R factorial, you will do separately to convert permutations to combination. To convert permutations to combination. Am I clear to you? Good. These are the models that we have in permutations and combinations. Okay. Any doubts, my dear persons? No doubts? Okay, good. Here, I thought today we can complete minimum of 3 papers. Okay, but very unfortunate. You have to go for so much of concept. Okay. Now, in the next session, we have to discuss about the next session. Here, no compulsion. Okay, if you feel pleasant and comfortable to come to the class, today we will conduct, else we will give a off for you. Okay, so decision is firmly with you. Okay, so what I will think is only 2 points I will think. Okay, so number 1, continuity. Daily we are habituating one ritual, right? So that continuity I will think. Okay, in this aspect I will conduct the session. Second one, we are planning for 10 days free workshop. Okay, already you know that, right? Okay, that is the reason each day is valuable. Okay, if you feel it is required means I will conduct the session. Okay, sir, we are already tired means we will leave it. Okay, Suppose if I conduct the session for tomorrow, if we conduct the session for tomorrow, how many are ready to attend the session? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh my God, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members only. Ha. Right. With the democracy, can I pass the bill? Lakshit? Yes. What about you? Same time, 5 to 8. It is a ritual. If a class means 5 to 8, that's it. If we have a class means 5 to 8. Okay, yeah. Finally, bill passed. Okay. So tomorrow we have the class from 5 to 8. Okay, my dear boys and girls. Here in the next session, I think 4 parts of this counting techniques will be completed. Okay. Thank you. I'll meet in the next session. Yeah. Number system and permutations, combinations are the highest weighted topics. Already we have seen, right? Okay, good. We will complete them by the next session. Thank you. Jai Hind.